Hey folks, today we're going to be unboxing and setting up the latest, the all-new Amazon Echo Dot Max. And for your convenience, I'm going to try and not say the name of this product again throughout the rest of this video to avoid setting off any devices you have close by. But what Amazon are promising here is a bigger sound, a built-in smart home hub, and new ambient sensing tech. So let's get it out of the box and set it up. So yes, opening the box. First of all, we get the main device itself. Straight away, it has the clean spherical design that this product line is known for. But inside, it's been massively upgraded with Amazon's new AZ3 chip and their OmniSense technology. On the bottom of the rear of the speaker, we have the power port and we have the controls on the front here. So very simplistic design. Elsewhere in the box, we have some documentation and the power lead. And that's it, no unnecessary extras, just what you need to get started. So taking a closer look, this is definitely the same compact design that you can expect from the Echo Dot product range. But Amazon are claiming that this model is going to pack a serious punch. In fact, they're stating 3 times more bass than the 2022 model, along with room-tuned sound and improved clarity. It's not the longest cable in the world, I'd say about 1 meter. That's why I've just had to move the camera over a bit so the plug can reach. But let's go ahead and get that connected. Okay, so straight away in the app, it's found the device, so I can go ahead and agree to set this up. And it's a simple process setting up one of these products. So all we need to do, first of all, is connect to the Wi-Fi network.
Updating your device. I'll let you know when it's ready.
Okay, there is a bit of a firmware update maybe because it is the first time I've plugged this in. But the app says the device is now connected, so let's tap continue. And yet it's updating the product. Now I just choose the room that I want to have it set up in. We'll have this speaker in this garage that I'm in right now. Okay, and it's just going to continue on with that firmware update. And while this is just updating, I just want to go over a couple of neat features that you can use this device for. First off, you can pair it with a second Dot Max speaker, and that will give you a stereo setup, so they'll link together. And you can connect it to your Fire TV as well. And if you pair that with a few of Amazon's speakers, then you can create a really fantastic wireless home cinema setup. But the other thing the Dot Max is going to allow is using it as a smart hub. That means you will be able to add your compatible lights, locks, plugs without having to have an additional hub, so really convenient there. And with the OmniSense technology that Amazon have included, then you can really automate a lot of this stuff as well. You can set smart devices based on room temperature or presence detection. But folks, that's it for today. A simple unboxing and setup for you. Hopefully it's been helpful. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll catch you next time.